Yeah.
Hey guys! So yes, we are going in with our Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. And I'm using this shade, and this is a maroon brown shade. It looks brown in the pan, but it's very, very pigmented. It's more like it looks red, but at the same time it's brown. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyway, so I'm just packing that at the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm just like pressing it onto my lids because I want the maximum pigmentation. So we're not going to blend as yet. I think I learned this technique from what's her name again? Makeup by Tammy Clark. Yeah, I love her channel. I'm like always watching her videos because mainly, her channel is about like affordable stuff, and she uses Makeup Revolution. And Makeup Revolution is my thing nowadays. I'm all about Makeup Revolution, and she always uses Makeup Revolution, so I always take her suggestions. Yeah, so I love Makeup by Tammy. Yes, I always watch her, and she always uses that pressing motion. So I'm going in with that like it's an orange kind of burnt orange kind of shade, and I'm going on top of my that area where we pat the shadow, just to blend out the eyeshadow and to allow it to just fuse in and just blend in. Then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Neutrals 3 palette, and that is just going to deepen the eye look. I'm using this black because the Saharan 2 doesn't have a black, so we're going in with the black now with a little pencil brush, and we're just going to define that at the crease, so that when you go in with the cut crease, you can actually see where my crease is cutting, and it's also going to be super defined. So as you can see, I'm lightly blending, guys, not blending a lot. And then I went in with a smaller brush. This is a matte dupe. It's a 221 brush, and I'm using that just slightly, and I'm taking my hand, how I'm holding the brush, like the right at the tip of the brush, and just barely blending it in because I really want that faded effect. Then I'm going in my LA Girls Pro Prep and Primer, and I'm going in with my favorite brush, guys. This is my all-time favorite brush. Oh my gosh, because it really works well for my eyes. If I have smaller eyes, so I need like a really precise brush, but I also need it to be small so it can fit the eyes. So this is my Real Techniques Detailer brush, and this brush comes in the Flawless Base set. I have reviewed that brush set, so if you'd like to see it, I'll attach a link so you can go and check it out. These are I guys, when I recommend the brushes, I'm like, I love brushes, oh my god, but when I recommend the brushes, I'm telling you, they work. Yes. And I don't get paid or anything for anything. I just love these brushes. When I use them, I just love them. Yeah, and I just love this one. And as you can see, I'm trying to be as precise as possible, just cut the crease. Yeah, and we're just cutting that. Nice. And you see, it really does a good job. And I'm kind of falling in love with this LA Girls Pro Prep and Primer because it really works. Yes, it's just a little bit sticky, so it's a little bit difficult to create the cut crease and to get the line as sharp as possible. I have to go in a little bit more, like spend a little bit more time just to perfect it. The concealer, when I do it, it's pretty easy, no time. It is, you create that cut crease. But with this now, because it's so sticky, I have to go in and just ensure that everything is properly placed on my lids, and I don't have any patchy areas. Yeah, so I'm going in with my my sugar blood. What's the name of this palette? Yeah, I'm going to review this palette. This is from Makeup Revolution. I just wanted this nude shade, so I decided to go in with it. I don't even remember why I went in with this palette. I think because my other palette wasn't, in front of me, I just decided to go in with it. But I'm going to review this palette. This is a highlighting blush palette. So yeah, So I'm just going in with this nice flat brush, and I just added the neutral shade at the inner portions. And then I'm going in with this red now from the same Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm just packing that at the outer corner with a pencil brush. Yes, as you can see. And we're just packing that. Yeah. And with this color, because it's so pigment, you have to ensure that you pack it properly, because it might get patchy. Like it might get because it's so pigmented, you might add more shadows to one area of the eye, to one area of the, you know, the outer corners. Yeah, so you just have to ensure that you pack it properly, because also the eyeshadow base is, you know, below beneath the eyeshadow, of course, so it's very sticky, so it's grabbing onto the eyeshadow. So you have to just make sure that you place the eyeshadows evenly, you know. Yes, and I'm going in with the same brush that we used earlier to just blur the inner portion. And yeah, I went in with the black now to just deepen the outer corner, because I wanted it to have that nice deep smoky look. Yeah, remember, I'm not sure if you all saw my post on the using the community tab. I posted this picture because I did a video of this neutral cut crease, but the video didn't turn out properly. It was a little bit blurry, so I didn't get to properly, you know, edit and stuff. So I decided to go with this look. I wanted to repeat the same look that we did earlier, but I was like, maybe I should just change it up a bit. So this is the reason why I went in with the purple. So I'm using my Makeup Revolution. This is a liner. I think I'm also going to review this too, but eventually it will come later in the video. So I'm using that to just create a wing line, as you can see, and we're just trying to perfect that. And I went in with my e.l.f. liquid liner just to get the liquidy you know, formula. Yeah. Going over that with this liquid liner from e.l.f. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this black, and I'm gonna take it right below right here. I'm just gonna push it right here. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with this brush, and this is my fan brush, and we're gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution, the highlighter, like so. And then we're just gonna take it at the highest point of my cheekbone. I'm just gonna graze it across like a donut, you know. Nice. So yes guys, this is my finished look. So this is my finished look, as I said before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, put a big thumbs up, and also if you want to leave a comment, let me know how you feel about what I did. And oh, go and check out this hair that I reviewed on my channel. I love it. Yeah, well, this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.